Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mr. Ajay Mohta. He's going to enter the Guinness Book of World Records by flying two planes together, right? Would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, launching will be done by Captain Prithvi and Captain Weber. I'm trying my best to fly two aircraft. One is Suki and another is Ranger. So, wish me all the best.
Good luck, good luck, good to go.
Chalo, start launching.
Wow.
दोनों को एक साथ ही रखो. सर बीच में मेरा भी रिमोट करो.
Wow, two planes. Amazing. So here you go, two remotes, two planes.
Landing.
Landing.
Amazing one, too good, one.
Wow, amazing.
Okay. You land another one now.
Second one landing. For a perfect landing. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Clap, 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 clap.